Hi, Dave here again. So let's get down to business. Number 3, day 3. And you should now have weighed yourself a couple of days on the trot. So what you do is when you've got your 3 measures on the bounce of what your mass is first thing in the morning, you add them up and you get your average. And it's simply because we have quite a lot of fluctuations day to day in body mass. So by getting 3 days, we can work an average. So get your calculator, put that figure in, either male or female, when you go on that link again. I'll put it in the email below, and you can work out roughly how many calories as an estimation you are currently consuming. So then if we go back to video 1, what is it you want to achieve? This is where we can start to make a structured plan of attack for you to get to where you want to be. So if you want to lose weight, we need to hit a calorie deficit. So figures that go around, if you want to lose 1 pound a week, it's a 500 calorie a day deficit. If you want to lose 1 kilogram a week, it's 1,100 calorie deficit a day you have to hit. And how big that deficit is again is a very individual thing, and it takes into a number of factors that are beyond this course really, but things like deadline for goal, you as an individual, your starting point, and your life are the main things that we would look at, and a few other options that we could look at, the rate of weight loss in relation to maintaining lean mass. Anyway, I'm going off on one. So there are 2 figures that are banding around a lot. Is if you want to lose a pound a week, you need 500 calorie a day deficit. If you want to lose a kilo a week, it is 1,100 calorie a day deficit. So to track how you are eating, so if you're using the calorie calculator and you're using macronutrients, key calories and stuff like that, then the easiest way is something along the lines of MyFitnessPal. The base level is free. It's really simple to use. They've got a barcode scanner, you have an app on your phone, and you just input the data and you can see how many calories you're consuming. As an extra bonus, I've put in this email a MyFitnessPal friendly recipe book. So rather than having to add in each individual ingredient, if you follow the recipe, you scan the barcode in the book and it'll put it all in for you. And the other advantage of of this recipe book is the meals are generally higher in protein, which comes to our second target that we would like you to work on: protein intake. It is massively important. In my 20 years of doing this, it is extremely common for people to not be consuming enough protein. So the research shows anywhere between 1.4 and 1.8 grams of protein per kilo of you. So again, if you go back to what you worked out your mass to be, times it by 1.6, say, is a happy medium, and that'll give you how many grams of protein you need to have a day. How you get them, again, that's up to you. There are better, different ways, but it needs to work for you. So those 2 key factors we always recommend people focus on is total calorie intake and your protein intake. Don't worry about the carbohydrates, don't worry about the fat. They can fluctuate, it doesn't matter, as long as they don't send your total calorie intake through the roof. Okay, so I'll put the link for the calorie calculator again in today. I'll also put a link for that recipe book in today. If you have any questions, fire them through. If not, I will see you tomorrow for number 4. Have a great day. See you later.